Hi everyone. This is the continuation of the Unreal Engine tutorial tips and tricks. So in this tutorial, I will show you that how you can import a model or a asset from the megascan library. Okay. So for the use of the megascan library, uh, you need to log in with the in Quixel Bridge, this one with the Epic Game ID. So this one I have to go to click this one, click this icon, and you see the Quixel Bridge. You just go there, and this is the bridge item, and this is the assets. You can find lots of assets free for this one, as you can see here, from the vegetation to all kinds of props and all the materials and all sorts of things you can find. So it has a category like this one, buildings, historical, all the things, props. Okay, so you go to the props. Let's say I need a props, and then uh, from the props section, these are very high quality assets, by the way. So let's say I need some barrels. Okay, okay, something like this one. So I just go to this, yeah, and then I'll have to select the quality is medium quality is 2K, high quality is 4K, and low quality. So I need a high quality asset. So you need to download that. So click on download. Wait for the asset to be downloaded in your in the project. Okay, so right now all you need to do is minimize this one, and you need to just drag and drop this asset in your viewport, something like this. As you can see here, the asset has been imported like this. Okay, like this. Okay, and this one is like this. And you can tweak the setting like this. And you have to manipulate the kind of like this. Okay, so some sort of barrel is there, and you can move around like this, and also copy another one to populate some sort of like this. Okay, this is beside the building, as you can see. Okay, so the asset, as soon as you drag and drop the asset, you see here is a folder called megascan. Megascan 3D asset wood barrel. You see your asset is perfectly imported. This is your 3D mesh and this is your material of that. Okay, so this is that easy to import an asset from the megascan to your project, and it's completely free. Let's try another one. Let's say this one. Okay, or this one is a high quality asset. Download. Wait for it to download. You see, these are very high quality assets, and these are quite okay to match up with your scene. This is that easy, and you don't have to worry about the props. There are these Quixel Bridge and Megascan has a lot of props, the high quality props and meshes. So okay, as soon as it's downloaded, you just drag and drop the asset here. As you can see, you can increase the size 2 by 2 by 2. Yep. No, it's too big. I'll have to go for 1 by 1 by 1. Okay, so now you see it's like this height, the waist height. Okay, put it like here. Make a couple of copies. Okay, okay, something like this. And let's say one copy is just like like this. Okay, okay, so and rotate it, and you're gonna have to be precise. Be precise. So you just like this, and rotate it like this. And okay, I think, yeah. Also, you're gonna copy this one and put it like on the top of it. Yeah, yeah, okay. Also, another copy is just here. Okay, and then you can have some another option like a bench. Okay, let's see how the bench is here, like this, okay. Yeah, we can take that part, this bench. Okay, We can take this kind of bench. Something like, yeah, this can be more suitable for this. So this is like old workshop. Okay, I need to maybe I need to, this is like this one or this one. Okay, maybe try on that. Download, wait for the download. Okay, wait for the download, and we'll have the assets. Or you can kind of like a chair. Okay. It's like wood chair, something like wood chair. No, it's like this chair. Okay, we'll have to download that as well. I'll have to high quality download. Wait for it. So this one is actually very good for, for the free assets and for level design. This type of props is very uh, this Quixel breeze is quite good for props design and collecting props, and it's very effective for level design purpose. Okay. Now download it, and then you can call it a favorite section. So it's favorite one, like this, and then you can drag and drop the chair. Yeah, you see, like a magic, the chair has been here, something like this, and you have to be like, okay, make a copy, rotate it, make another copy, uh, just rotate it. Okay, some sort of like this. Okay, so as you can see, I just populate this this section, this section, quite looking quite great. Okay, with the megascan. So I just use the three types of asset here, three types of assets, uh, you if you go to the megascan, then the 3D assets, you see the three folder, like three assets. Like this one is for the barrel, this one is for the wood barrel, and this one is for the chair, as you can see. And you see the quality is 4096 by 4096. This is the high quality chair, it's matching our quality, our asset quality. So this is how you can use the megascan asset and populate the scene very nicely, and it's looking so nice. It's looking actually fantastic. And you can find whatever assets, and you just need to populate and make it make your scene quite believable and quite interesting. Okay, so this is how, guys, how you can import your megascan assets and in your project, and hope you enjoyed this one, and I will come again later with another tips and tricks. So keep following me, keep following my channel, and keep supporting me. Thank you very much.